Let me take you back to 1989. Voyager 2, after 12 years of travel, finally reached Neptune. And what it found changed everything. Because Neptune isn't just a planet, it's a teacher. And over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to share 10 life lessons from this blue giant that will completely reframe how you see yourself. Lesson 1. You can generate your own heat. Neptune radiates 2.6 times more energy than it receives from the sun. It's 30 times farther out than we are, barely getting any solar warmth, yet it's glowing. It generates its own heat from within. And that's the lesson. You've been waiting for external validation to feel warm. But your internal heat, that's yours. That's constant. Stop waiting for permission to glow. You already can. Lesson 2. Distance is not abandonment. Neptune is 2.8 billion miles from the sun. From there, the sun looks like just another star. Cold, distant. But Neptune isn't abandoned. It's still orbiting, still bound by gravity to the same star we are. The connection is just stretched across distance. You can be far from something and still be bound to it. You can feel alone and still be connected. Distance is not disconnection. Lesson 3. The unknown is not your enemy. We know so little about Neptune. Its magnetic field is tilted 47 degrees off-axis, chaotic, unexplainable. Yet Neptune doesn't wait for our understanding to exist. It just is. You've been taught that uncertainty means you're failing. But mystery is the default state of the universe. You're not supposed to know everything. You're still becoming. The unknown is not a gap. It's where discovery lives. Lesson 4. You are more than your surface. Neptune looks serene from a distance, a beautiful blue marble. But beneath those clouds, winds at 1,200 miles per hour, storms the size of Earth, an ocean of methane and ammonia under crushing pressure, and deeper still, diamond rain falling through darkness. Everyone you meet is Neptune. We show people the surface, but inside we're storm systems. You don't know anyone your core, the parts that exist under crushing pressure. Depth is not a flaw. Lesson 5. Pressure creates diamonds. Deep inside Neptune, the pressure is so intense it transforms simple carbon into diamonds. Chunks of diamond rain falling through exotic ices for thousands of miles. The pressure is not the enemy, it's the process. You are under pressure right now. The weight of everything you're carrying feels like it's crushing you. But what if you're not breaking? What if you're transforming? What if you're becoming diamond? Diamonds aren't made in comfort. They're made in the depths, in the dark, under pressure so intense it changes everything. Lesson 6. Your storms don't need external justification. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, 1,200 miles per hour, yet it barely gets heat from the sun. The storm is internal, and you have storms inside you too. People look at your life and say, "What do you have to be upset about?" They're looking for external causes. But your storm isn't about the sun. It's about the heat you generate yourself, the pressure inside. And that doesn't make it invalid. That makes it yours. That makes it real. Lesson 7. Resonance is survival. Neptune's orbit is locked in a 3:2 resonance with Pluto. They're synchronized, dancing around each other, never colliding even though their paths cross. That's how you survive chaos, by finding your resonance. Not with everyone, but with the right ones. The people whose rhythms match yours. Stop trying to orbit at everyone else's speed. Find what matches your frequency and protect that. Neptune doesn't care what Jupiter's doing. It just orbits at its own pace. Lesson 8. Loneliness can be clarity. Neptune is the loneliest planet, 30 times farther from the sun than Earth. No spacecraft has visited in almost 40 years. But loneliness isn't emptiness. Neptune is one of the most dynamic, beautiful, powerful planets in the solar system. Its loneliness doesn't make it less. It makes it distinct. Your distance from others is not a deficiency. It's a definition. Maybe you're not failing. Maybe you're just trying to orbit at the wrong distance. Accept your orbit and you get clarity, space to think, room to become, the ability to hear yourself over everyone else's noise. Lesson 9. Erupting while spiraling. Neptune's moon Triton orbits backward. It was captured, and now it's spiraling closer to Neptune every year. In a few billion years, it'll be torn apart. Its fate is sealed. But right now, Triton is the most geologically active object in the outer solar system. It has geysers, atmosphere, eruptions. It's not waiting to die. It's alive. And that's the choice. You can fear the inevitable ending, or you can erupt anyway. The spiral is not the opposite of living. It's the condition of living. Everyone is spiraling. The question is, are you erupting while you do it? Lesson 10. Accept your orbit. Here's the secret. Neptune's orbit is almost perfectly circular. It never gets closer to the sun, never farther away. It just stays at the same distance forever. Neptune has accepted its distance. It's not fighting to get closer, not jealous of Earth, not trying to be something it's not. And in that acceptance, it's found peace. You've been fighting your distance, trying to get closer to success, happiness, connection, exhausting yourself trying to change your orbit. What if you stopped? What if you accepted your orbit, your distance, your speed, your rhythm? The universe made room for Neptune exactly as it is, and it made room for you too. So here's what I need you to remember. You're not broken for being distant. You're not failing for containing storms. You're not less because the light takes time to reach you. You don't need the sun's permission. You already generate your own heat. You don't need to speed up. The universe has room for the slow, the distant, the misunderstood. Neptune takes 165 years to go around the sun. It doesn't rush. It doesn't apologize. It just is. And that's enough. If this landed, leave a like. Comment which lesson hit you hardest. Subscribe for more cosmic perspective. But mostly, go be Neptune. Distant with purpose. Mysterious with pride. Self-sustaining. Glowing from within. Exactly as you are. The universe isn't asking you to be Earth. It needs you to be Neptune. Own your orbit and glow.